Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset a WIX website. All right. You have two main options, either restore a previous version of your site or create a new website from scratch. Okay. Restoring a previous version allows you to revert to an earlier state of your site, while creating a new website offers a completely fresh start. So first up, let's try to restore a previous version of our site. So click on the three dots right here, click on Edit Site. Wait for your website to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the top left and click on this icon or the WIX icon. Now go ahead over to the site dashboard. Okay. Click on it and wait for it to open. Now, once it's opened, go ahead over to the left panel, which is right here. Now hover your mouse onto settings. Okay. Click on it. And here on the right hand side, just go ahead and locate website settings. All right. Under site domain and SEO right here. Just click on it. And here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you'll find site history. Click on Restore Versions, and you'll find all of the versions for your website right here. To reset it from a specific date, for example, the latest one right here is March 22, 2025. And the first save that was made was November 13, 2024. Okay, if you want to restore this version at the very bottom, you can go ahead and click on this arrow key. And then there will be a restore button. Just click on it and your website will be restored. Okay. The other option is by, as I've said earlier, just create or start from scratch. So just go ahead over to your WIX Studio. Right here, under Sites, go to the top right and click on Create New Sites. You can now go ahead and start from blank canvas, start from template, or generate a site and structure with AI. Okay. Or even build with the WIX editor. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you reset a WIX website. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.